Hello, today I'm in Suzuki Swift. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant. In the beginning, let's locate the button on the steering wheel, right here, or on the screen display, right here. To use voice assistant, simply press this button and then say any command.
Please say a command.
Navigate to Warsaw.
Sorry, it is not possible to enter an address by speech for this country. Please say a command.
Navigate to home.
There is no home address stored.
Media.
You can say phone, navigation, or media. You can also say
Media.
media.
Play.
You can say play, followed by the music you want to listen to. You can add an artist, album, title, playlist, genre, podcast, or audiobook, if available on your media device. Otherwise say play followed by the name of your device. To improve recognition you can also say a more complete command, for example play artist followed by the artist's name.
Play rock.
There is no audiobook available for speech recognition. Ending speech recognition.
As you can see, it's not the most advanced speech recognition system, but it works just fine. That's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.